Within the TOTECS 16.1 platform release, we've added capabilities to help search engines rank pages better when hosted on the platform. Within the product detail area, hooks can now be embedded within the area that allows the search engines such as Google to be able to obtain retail pricing and stock level data that can be used within Google's shopping crawler to help promote the web page within Google Shopping's search feature. This may provide additional lead generator tools to help users find products and navigate to your website, which can help to lead into more sales. So to set this up within the administration center, once again, if we click on the websites menu button, click on the websites menu item, within the websites administration center interface, we first need to find the content managed web page where our product detail area is embedded within. So in the web pages, this particular product detail area I know of is under this products page. And if we click on the view all areas, we can see the product detail area that has been set up on this page. And from here, we need to find the format which is being used for this particular area. So there is a format here called Demo MWD 1.0 Product Details. So back within the website's interface, if we then expand the web area format libraries tree node and then go into product detail and click on the product detail format, we can see there is that format called demo. So within here, there has been a few new hooks that have been added. One of those hooks is called product stock level Google. So this hook returns either the values out of stock or in stock, which are particular values that Google Shopping Crawler needs to know if a product is in or out of stock. So if a product is in stock, that means its stock quantity is higher than the stock none level that has been set within against the product, then it will return the value in stock. Otherwise, it will return the value out of stock. So we can embed that hook within our format. Google Shopping requires this meta information to be embedded within the format. So within here, we can embed that hook within this meta tag called availability. Then the Google Shopping Crawler can then find this information. And as we can see here, there are other pieces of information that we can embed within the meta tags, such as the currency that is being this website's using, the description of the product, the name of the product, and its product code, and so on and so forth. A couple of the other hooks that we have added are these pricing hooks that are suffixed with the underscore initial word. So we can see the price of the product, excluding tax, in the currency that is being used by the user. The word initial implies that this is the price of the product that is initially loaded in the area. And if you're using combination products, then that product may change once users have selected options. So the initial keyword here is that this hook will not change if any of the contents of a product detail area dynamically update. And it's the same here where we've got the hooks that is the pricing inclusive of tax, and then the pricing hooks that are stored in the project's default currency, not the user's assigned currency. Those hooks also exist here as well. So for Google, we want to show the price of a product which is inclusive of tax, since we're giving Google Shopping the retail pricing. So we would use the p_price inc_ initial hook, and we embed that into a meta tag as well. So now if we then save this format, when the content manager web page is reloaded, if we right click on the page and click the view page source, within the source code of the web page, we can now see the meta information that is embedded within the web page, and we can now see the information that the Google Shopping Crawler will be able to find for our products. So there's the pricing information, there's our stock level information, as well as all the other details that we are providing Google Shopping. And Google Shopping can then use that information to determine what text displays within its Google Shopping search result listing pages. And note that any crawler can only look at this page when, as a guest user, the search engines cannot log in as particular users. So the pricing that is publicly available to the crawlers here is the same pricing that can be retrieved by those search engines. So the crawlers will only ever see retail public pricing if it is available. It is important to note that by embedding this information within this metadata, you are handing the crawlers your pricing information and your product information. If you don't want the crawlers to ever be able to know what the pricing of your products are or the stock availability of your products are, you should not embed this information into the format which is shown to those crawlers. And in that case, you may be better to create two product detail areas, one format that it shows the additional stock and pricing information to your logged in users, and then doesn't show that pricing to guest users. And that can be controlled using the security setting against each area, using the public-private option to determine if guest users or logged in users can see a particular area. So with this additional information which is provided to crawlers, hopefully that will increase the chances of users being able to find these products and then to be taken to your web page where they can view the information of these products as well as add to basket and perform checkout to complete the sales process. Ultimately, this may help increase sales. Click on the video links to view the next features that were added to this release.